So here we have got the second product of our combo, which is known as the Puzzlemania. And we are going to apply a similar approach to play this game as well, as we did for Scholar Box. So first we are going to place this sheet right here. And now the second step was just read the instructions. So it says match the following questions from the left two columns to the appropriate answers in the right two columns. So which means we've got the questions below these buttons while we have the answer options right here. So let me pick up the first one and see what's the question. The question says the dash is on time. And when I look at these two columns, well, I feel the answer should be train. And so I place number 1 right here. Now let's go to the second one. And the second one says name of a person is an example of dash noun. So the answer should be, I believe it should be proper. And so I place 2 right here. Now you must be wondering, do we have to go in the same order? Well, no, not necessarily. I can pick up 5 and see what's the question here. So the question is, the girl is wearing a brown dash. And I can see the most appropriate option is hat. And so I place number 5 right here. Moving on to the next one. Let me pick up 7. The old woman is sitting on a, yes, it should be bench. And so I place number 7 here. Likewise, we can do for this one as well. Our dash is red in color. And I can see it's our car. So I place number 3 here. Now the fourth one. The dash are playing in the garden. Certainly, it's going to be the children. And now the last 2. So desk is an example of a common noun. And finally, the 8th one, we had gone to visit the, yes, it should be Taj Mahal. So here I've placed all the buttons now in the respective answer options. Now again, you must be wondering, how does the student check whether he has placed them right or not? So yes, we'll follow the similar approach, that is, we are going to flip this sheet. So here, let me flip this sheet and now insert it once again. So here I insert it and there you see. Now I've got the correct answers in these 2 columns and my own answers in these 2 columns. And now I can easily check. And students, there's another interesting feature, which is if I lift this one, I can see the answer here as well. So we have the complete question as well as the answer. So I remember the 5th one was the train. And yes, my answer is correct. This is how I can map it. So let me see if I've got all the answers correct or not. So 5 matches with 5, 3 matches with 3. Likewise, I see this column matching as well, this one as well, and finally, so correct. So I've got all the answers correct now. Now I want to add another point here. What if a student would have placed 7 here and 1 here? So it seems like a similar combination, 1 7 and 1 7. But you have to remember that it should match exactly how it is in the left 2 columns. So 1 7 is not equivalent to 7 1. And if I would have placed it like this, then my answer would have certainly been wrong. So the correct sequence is 1 7. And yes, below 1 I can see I've got the answer as well. The girl is wearing a brown hat. So that's how we play this game, the Puzzlemania. Keep playing and keep enjoying the Puzzlemania.